Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first steps. Make sure the VM OS and your Azure AD tenant support Azure AD join. Next, enable Azure AD login in the VM's configuration blade and assign the user the virtual machine administrator login role. This grants the needed permissions to sign in. Once done, confirm networking and DNS reachability to Azure. If you don't have internet inside the VM, enable outbound access. These steps set up credentials, permissions, and connectivity so the join can succeed. Now you perform the actual Azure AD join inside the VM. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then Access Work or School, and choose Connect. Select Join this device to Azure Active Directory and sign in with your Azure AD user. You'll be prompted to register the device. Provide consent when asked and follow prompts to complete registration. Once finished, make sure the VM shows as a registered device in the Azure AD portal and that the assigned role is present. This verifies the machine and identity relationship is established properly. Finish by rebooting and signing in with your Azure AD account using the username at tenant format. Make sure conditional access and device compliance policies are applied as expected, and enroll the device in Intune if needed for management. If you encounter problems, check time synchronization, DNS resolution, and network access. Then verify the VM user has the virtual machine administrator login role and that the device appears in Azure AD. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect the event logs and device registration status in the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.